Welcome to the tutorial on Share, Copy and Edit. In this tutorial, we will see how a user can share the Pinboard dataset and answer with other users, and how a user can copy and edit this Pinboard. Let's say the user finds this Pinboard insightful, and the user wants to share this Pinboard with another user in his organization or team. Then click on Share button and select the user. Based on the kind of access the user wants to give to this other user in his team, you can select View or Edit Access. With View Access, the user will be able to just view the Pinboard, and with Edit Access, the user will be able to edit the Pinboard if the user is given access to the underlying data sources. Let's select this and click Share. Now the user will be able to edit the Pinboard and make any cosmetic changes to the Pinboard. And similarly, if a user wants to share a dataset with another user, they can select the dataset and click Share. They can select the entire table or specific columns and select the user, provide View or Edit Access, and add and click Done. Let's go back to Pinboards and select the Pinboard. And now let's say the user has an edit access on this Pinboard and he wants to make a copy of his own. User can click on Make a Copy and give a name or select the current name and save. Now that copy is available, and if the user has that right privileges, always go ahead and make those cosmetic changes like this and save those changes. And this concludes our segment on Share, Copy and Edit. In the next tutorial, we will see how we can create schedules on top of a Pinboard and follow the Pinboard for some updates. Thank you.